So it turns out elevator B is a freight elevator. This is the freight elevator at the Rockefeller Arts Center at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. This is, I assume it's a Bison, has Innovation Bruiser, unlike the other one, which has Universal. Here it comes. Has like a fire curtain in front of it, which is kind of interesting. Oh, this one goes down. Oh, it has a solid door. I think this one's turning like a passenger. Or no, it's not solid. OT, interesting, guys. That's some sort of communication here. The beeper is very loud. Here, go down the basement. The indicator is broken. Here at the basement, it doesn't matter because you can see out. Level. Put the 4. That beeper is so loud, probably all the building occupants from their rooms can hear. I think 4 is locked. There's no 3, so I guess we're gonna go up to 2. Ah, it's doing that. Here we go up to 2. I think it has a nice dry probe motor, we can barely hear it. Here at 2. Back down to 1. It's a basic stainless steel cab. It's pretty big and tall, as you would expect for a freight elevator. I don't like how that beeper is so loud. Otherwise, I would appreciate this a little more. One. I'm gonna get all my pictures of stills now. That's good. Let's close it up. It's gonna have to delay because it's on the outside, of course, and that's gonna be it.